Class 9. Now we will do question number 6. Let us write the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 in the form of y equals to mx plus c, where m and c are constants. Okay, so how you will do this one? See, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. In which form you have to write? Y equals to mx plus c form. Okay, means only y will be here and all the terms you will take this side. So I am keeping y term here and I am taking all the things this side. So I am taking first a1x, it will become minus a1x plus c1, it will become minus c1, but we have to make it in the form of y equals to mx plus c. It means only y, not, and nothing will attach with it. Means we have to remove this one b1, so b1 is also come down, b1, and this b1 will come with x also and with constant also. Okay, means this b1 will come with a1 by b1 and it will become c1 by b1. Now it is in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Now second question, 7 number question is this: for what value of k the two equation kx minus 21y plus 15 equals to 0 and 8x minus 7y equals to 0 have only one solution? What is the condition for one solution when you are finding value of k? a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2 when you have only one solution. I told you that whenever you have to find value of k, at that time you will not take c1 by c2, only you will take a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and in one solution a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2. Okay, so a1 value is here k and a2 value is 8, b1 value is minus 21, b2 value is minus 7. Okay, so k by 8 does not equals to minus 21 by minus 7. Now minus will cancel out, 7 ones are 7 threes are. You will do cross multiplication, 1 into k, 8 into 3, 8 threes are 24, means k value does not equals to 24. This one you will write. Now question number 7: for what value of a and b the two equations 5x plus 8y plus 7 and a plus bx plus a minus by equals to 2a plus b plus 1 have infinite number of solution? Where now in this one you have to find value of a also and value of b also, means two variable terms value you have to find, and it is written infinite number of solution. At that time, what is the condition for infinite number of solution? a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. We will take a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Why? Because in this one we have to find the value of a also and value of b also, means two variables value you have to find. At that time you will take three things. Okay, when you have to find only one, like in the last question k value only, then you will take only a1 by a2, b1 by b2. But in this question you have to find value of a also and value of b also, for this reason you will do this. Okay, now see, a1 value is 5, a2 value is a plus b, b1 value is 8, b2 value is a minus b, c1 value is 7 and c2 value is 2a plus b plus 1. I have written like this. Now what you will do? First you will take 5 by a plus b equals to 8 by a minus b. Okay, then you will do cross multiplication. You know how to do cross multiplication, I am not explaining this part. From here you will find a equals to minus 3b by 3. Okay, means a value you will get something in the form of b. Now you will take 8 by a minus b with 7 by 2a plus b plus 1. Okay, now when you will solve doing cross multiplication, after doing cross multiplication you will get 9a plus 15b plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, now in place of a, what you can put? Value of a, which is minus 13b by 3, minus 13b by 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 into 13, 39. Since you have minus sign, plus minus minus, minus 39b plus 15b plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, after that what you will do? In the here you can see minus plus minus 39, b plus minus 15, b will give you 24, and with 39 there is a minus sign, you have to put minus sign here also. So minus 24b equals to minus 8, minus minus will cancel, b equals to 8 by 24, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, b value are getting 1 by 3, putting b equals to 1 by 3. So you know a equals to minus 13b by 3. Okay, now in place of b what you will put? 1 by 3. I have done already 1 by 3. Now minus 13 by 3, 3 by 1 will become 1 by 3. So 13 into 1, 13, 3 3s are 9, means a equals to minus 13 by 9. A equals to this, b equals to this. Okay.